Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss about exemptions in CMA examination. So if you are a CMA inter student, CMA final student, you have appeared in your December 2024 examination but you didn't clear your examination, but you got exemption in one subject, one or two subjects. That means you secured 60 or more than 60 in any one subject, then you are exempted from that paper. Okay, for example, if you appeared for CMA final group 4 in December 2024 examination, so this was your marks. Example, okay, in cost audit you got 64, CF for 42, IDT 41, SPMBV 40, total you got 187. So you failed in this group. But in cost audit you got more than 60, that is 64. You are exempted that paper for consecutive 3 attempts, guys. Consecutive 3 attempts means continuous 3 attempts. Like if you appeared for December 2024 and got exemption, then this exemption will be applicable to June 2025, December 2025, June 2026, June 25, December 25 and June 2026 you can claim this exemption. That means you need not appear for this examination for these 3 attempts. Okay, and 2 conditions you should satisfy, guys. That means to claim this exemption you should attend all the exams of that particular group. For example, in group 4 CMA final you got exemption in cost audit. To claim this exemption you should have been appeared in all the papers in that particular group. For example, you got exemption in cost audit, but in case in IDT you didn't go to examination and you are absent from this examination, then this exemption you cannot be claimed. Next upcoming attempt you should write this exam, guys. So first you need to remember and know this fact that you need to attend all the examination of that particular group, then only you will be able to claim exemption in that subject, guys. Then another important thing is, if you got 64 in CF or 42 IDT, you failed in subject like 33, SPMBV 50. Okay, in this case, in the second case, you should note this point, like you failed in this subject, that is you got less than 40 marks in one subject, you got only 33 in IDT, so then this exemption will be allowed. You can claim exemption in cost audit, but the marks will be provided you is only 50 marks will be provided for you, guys, not 64 marks which you have secured. Only 50 marks will be given you will be provided you. So 64 marks will not be given to you because that you have failed in one subject, you got below 40 marks in one subject. So you should know this point before claiming exemption. So in this case you will be provided only 50 marks in cost audit. Then in balance 3 subjects you need to get 150 marks to pass this group. In the first case, if you are not failed in any subject, see in this, in all the 3 subject you got more than 40 or equal to 40, that is you passed the subject but you failed because of lack of aggregate. In this case, the mark which you scored, cost audit you scored 64, this 64 marks will be granted to you. So balance marks only you need to secure in 3 subjects. But in the second case you need to note this point, that if you failed in any subject, you secured less than 40 in any of the subject, then the marks will be provided for your exempted paper is only 50 marks, not the marks which you have scored. And then how to claim exemption? The simple process that you should not go to examination on that exemption paper. In this case you got exemption in cost audit 64, right? If you decided to claim exemption, then upcoming June 2025 examination you should not appear that examination, guys. So if you appear in the examination, then your exemption will be cancelled. If you attended the exam, then your exemption will be cancelled. You cannot carry forward that exemption for upcoming examinations. So you should not attend the examination on that exemption paper. And then this exemption you can claim for 3 consecutive attempts, continuous attempts, 3 continuous attempts. That is it doesn't matter whether you appear for examination, you paid your exam fees, it doesn't matter. Even if you don't appear, if you don't pay for exam fees also, your exemption will be counted for the upcoming exam attempt. For example, June 2025 examination, you didn't pay your exam fees and you didn't fill your exam form, you didn't even appear for that group. Even though this exemption will be counted that you have claimed for this attempt, only 2 attempts remaining for your examination, guys. So whether you attend or not, whether you appear for examination or not, this exemption will be counted. So these are the facts you should know before claiming exemption, guys. I hope this video very useful for you guys. Thank you so much. Meet you soon in next video. Bye.